Hello everybody and welcome back to this episode of the vlog. Some things have changed. I've got some new stuff in the van, but today we're actually going to install our cupboards, which is essentially my mystery box right here. I made this mystery box in middle school. No, it was high school. Freshman year of high school I made this mystery box. And I never really had a use for it. It was always just storage, which was fun, you know. It was a cool little thing to have. And now I didn't really have a use for it, so I figured we'll put it into the van. I actually have some brackets. So I've got some brackets right here. This is gonna screw to the wall. I've got to level it to make sure this will sit level. And then this whole thing is going right on top of this. And then this will also get screwed into the wall back here, making sure this doesn't move. This is gonna house all my dishes and whatever else I want to put up here, my coffee pot. This is gonna have everything inside it. So it's gonna go up here in the corner above this side on the driver's side. So that's gonna be a bit of a project, but we're gonna get it done. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I now have the brackets in. Essentially what this is I had to level this out, meaning when I put this mystery box up here, I don't want it out of level because, you know, I'm gonna have stuff inside it. So you have to level your bracket out. So I took a little mini level. I leveled the top, make sure it's level that way. That gave me the distance that I needed off the bottom to block out properly to make sure that this is level. So I had to cut blocks to actually make it level and then screw those blocks into our wall, and then the bracket is screwed into that block, making this bracket level. That way I can put this up here and not worry about it being out of level. The reason I'm doing this is because this wall actually comes in like this on the inside of the van. It curves inward, so I had to even that out. I had the same problem when I did this latch in the lid for my storage. The same problem. I had to actually cut the lid back a little bit in order to get it to open all the way because these walls come in a little bit. So you have to account for that when building something like this. I think we're ready now. This is all screwed in. I'm gonna try and put this box up in here. We'll see how it goes. She big. Damn, boy. Not back all the way on that side. Back all the way on this side though. It's pretty good. That actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to screw this back. That is our storage for all our dishes and all kinds of stuff. I also want to fix this mystery mark, question mark. I want to fix that because the bottom of it fell off. But that is in. Actually looks really good. I'm gonna screw it back to the wall now and screw it up from the inside so underneath the bracket it secures it as well. So that is in. That is awesome, man. That actually looks really good. All right. Cool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our mystery box is in. That is awesome. I didn't really account for the distance off of the back of the van. It actually fits really well tight to the wall on the corner here of this paneling. There's kind of an edge that it sits right in flush against the wall. The only problem is we're maybe, I don't know, 6 inches away from the back. So there's a gap from the back of this to the wall, which is fine. the back of the van, but it also kind of eats up space where my desk is going to be. I originally had planned that my desk would sit up here, and it's still gonna fit here, but I was gonna sit a chair on this side, but with this here, that's kind of impossible. So we'll figure it out, but I'm glad this is in. It looks awesome. We're gonna get some pieces for it fit today, and yeah, that's done. That's sweet. Okay, so there's a lot of things that I like to just get out of the way and get done and not film it because I don't think it's necessary to include in this vlog. So one of those things being the roof rack. As you can see, the roof rack is done. I didn't film it because I don't have time. It's hard for me to just sit and film and then work and then come back to the camera and make sure it's still recording, and I don't have that much time. So I'm just doing little snippets here and there. We're gonna combine it all and kind of go over the whole thing. So the roof rack is done. We'll take you on a walk around right now. Pretty solid. How about we go up on there, huh? Yeah, buddy. Yes, I'm gonna be able to store a lot of stuff up here. So this is where all my totes and stuff and golf bag and everything's gonna be strapped up here on the storage rack. Let's go. All right, so our box is in. That's a ton of storage space done. I'm probably gonna put a shelf on this side as well. I have the brackets for it. If I wanted to do another shelf, I could do that. So I may do that for storage. I think what is next, now that we've got the roof rack done, this storage done, I think we're gonna put our divider on this down the middle so that it divides the back from the front, and then I'll be able to put storage in the front half and keep everything back here tucked away. That's all my electric, all my plumbing, everything's gonna be tucked away from here back, and then I'll have all my storage on the front. Once that's done, I'll be able to sheet the front with this the flooring. I'll be able to do flooring on the front and tie it all in and make it look nice, and then once that's done, I'll be able to move in. I mean, I'll move into this. Once that is accomplished, I'm pretty much in the van at that point. So lots to do left, but we're nearly there. I would say we're 3/4 of the way done with Carmilla. She's almost done. So listen, this has been a journey. I got this van literally a month ago. It was probably a month ago to the day that I went and got the van, and I can't believe how fast this moved, how fast it's come together. It's been an awesome project, and I can't wait to be in it, man, and hit the road. It's gonna be sick. So with that said, let's get on to this divider, get some stuff done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our wall is in. This is going to separate the back from the front. It's going to keep all the noise kind of isolated from the rest of the van. At least it'll help. So that is in. So I also made another sheet to fit the front as well, allowing me to actually put the flooring up to the face of the bed, allowing me to make it look nice. It's going to blend really well. And I gotta wait to get my mini fridge put in before I do that, but we're pretty much squared away as far as the back goes. This is what it's gonna look like, so that's pretty sweet. I'm glad that's done. Oh, got a lot done today. I feel pretty accomplished. I'm gonna go get some stuff for this and do a little more work, With that being said, thank you for watching. Stay awesome, stay safe, and rock on. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. If you're enjoying the build of Carmilla, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.